In triangle ABC, AB equals to AC and angle BAC equals to 50 degree. Find the measure of the two equal angles. To find the measure of two equal angles, we have to first draw a triangle of ABC. ABC. Here it is said that AB equals to AC. These two lines are equal. We also know that if these two lines are equal, then we can say it is a isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle, two angles also equal. Let it x degree. Here it is given how much? 50 degree. So we have to find the value of x. From the property of addition of triangle, we know that summation of triangle gives us 180 degree. So 50 degree plus x degree gives us 180 degree. So twice x degree equals to 180 degree minus 50 degree equals to x degree equals to, it is how much? 130 degree by 2 equals to 65 degree. So the answer is D, 65 degree.